What is the difference between jaguars and leopards? The two incredible big cats. They're often mistaken for one another. Let us learn some of the major difference between them. These majestic creatures, while sharing a family resemblance, have their own unique stories to tell. From the steamy Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, these spotted hunters rule their domains. They're a testament to nature's creativity, each adapted to thrive in their own challenging environments. So join me as we journey into the world of jaguars and leopards. We'll uncover their secrets, learn their differences, and discover why protecting them is so important. Get ready for an adventure. Let's explore the amazing lives of these jungle jewels. Imagine a game of Spot the Difference, but with big cats. It's not just a fun challenge for wildlife enthusiasts or safari goers. Learning to tell these magnificent creatures apart is like unlocking a secret code in nature's fashion show. Whether you're flipping through a field guide, scrolling through wildlife photos online, or lucky enough to be out in the wild, knowing what to look for can make every sighting more exciting and meaningful. Jaguars and leopards are famous for their stunning coats, but if you look closer, you'll see the differences. At first glance, both cats seem to be wearing similar spotted outfits, but the details reveal their unique identities. Their coats are more than just beautiful. They're a masterclass in camouflage, helping them blend into their environments, whether it's the dense rainforests of South America or the golden grasslands of Africa. Leopards are sleek and athletic. Their bodies are built for agility and stealth, allowing them to move silently through tall grasses or leap effortlessly into trees. If you ever see a big cat lounging on a high branch, chances are it's a leopard, as they're famous for their tree climbing skills. Their long, slender bodies and powerful limbs make them the ultimate acrobats of the big cat world. They have a golden coat scattered with solid black spots. This golden hue helps them disappear into the dappled sunlight of the savanna, while the spots break up their outline, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Each leopard's spot pattern is unique, like a fingerprint, and can be used by researchers to identify individuals in the wild. These spots, called rosettes, sometimes have a lighter center, kind of like a tiny donut. The rosettes are generally smaller and more closely packed than those of jaguars, giving the leopard's coat a delicate, intricate appearance. If you look closely, you'll notice that the centers of these rosettes are often a shade lighter than the surrounding fur, adding to the complexity of their pattern. Jaguars are stockier and more muscular. Their bodies are built for power rather than speed, with broad chests, thick necks, and strong limbs. Unlike leopards, jaguars are excellent swimmers and are often found near water, patrolling riverbanks, or even taking a dip to cool off. Their robust build allows them to tackle prey much larger than themselves, including caimans and capybaras. Their rosettes are larger and more complex, often with a dot in the center. These bold, intricate patterns are not just for show. They help jaguars blend into the dappled light of the rainforest, where shadows and sunlight create a patchwork of shapes and colors. The central dot inside each rosette is a key feature that sets jaguars apart from their African cousins. Think of them as fancy donuts with a sprinkle on top. The jaguar's coat is a work of art, with each rosette looking like it's been carefully decorated. This sprinkle in the center is a quick visual clue for anyone trying to tell the two cats apart. It's almost as if the jaguar wanted to outdo the leopard in the fashion department, adding an extra flourish to every spot. And here's a helpful tip. Jaguars have powerful jaws and a shorter tail, while leopards are more slender with a long, whip-like tail. The jaguar's jaw is the strongest of any big cat, capable of crushing turtle shells and even biting through bone. Their tails are shorter and thicker, perfect for maneuvering through dense jungle. In contrast, the leopard's long, flexible tail acts like a balancing pole, helping it navigate the treetops and make daring leaps from branch to branch. So next time you see a picture, channel your inner detective. Look beyond the obvious and pay attention to the subtle clues: the shape and size of the rosettes, the build of the cat, the length of the tail, and even the setting. Is the cat lounging in a tree or swimming in a river? Each detail can help you solve the mystery. Can you tell who's who in the spotted cat lineup? With a little practice, you'll be able to spot the difference like a pro, impress your friends, and gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity of the animal kingdom. So grab your binoculars, sharpen your observation skills, and get ready to become a true big cat fashion expert. Jaguars are the ultimate jungle cats. Just picture them prowling through the lush Amazon rainforest in South America. They love dense vegetation, winding rivers, and swamps. These habitats provide perfect cover for hunting and, honestly, a refreshing dip on a hot day. Leopards are more adaptable. They're found across Africa and Asia, from the savannas of the Serengeti to the foothills of the Himalayas. They've even been spotted in the Sahara Desert. Talk about being tough. These adaptable cats can thrive in a range of habitats, from grasslands to forests. Each habitat presents its own challenges and rewards for these big cats. Their ability to adapt is a testament to their strength and resilience. Jaguars are powerful hunters, perfectly adapted to the dense rainforests and riverbanks of Central and South America. With their striking golden coats dappled with black rosettes, they blend seamlessly into the shadows, moving with a silent, almost ghostly grace. Every muscle in their body is built for stealth and strength, making them one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Their keen senses allow them to detect the faintest rustle of leaves or the slightest movement in the undergrowth, giving them a distinct advantage over their prey. Jaguars have a taste for a diverse menu, and their diet is as varied as the landscape they roam. These big cats are opportunistic carnivores, which means they don't stick to just one type of prey. Instead, they take advantage of whatever food sources are available, adapting their hunting techniques to suit the situation. From the forest floor to the river's edge, jaguars are always on the lookout for their next meal. In fact, jaguars are known to eat almost any animal they can catch. Their menu includes more than 85 different species, ranging from small rodents and birds to much larger animals. They are equally at home hunting on land or in water, and their powerful limbs allow them to leap, swim, and climb with ease. This adaptability makes them one of the most successful hunters in their environment. One of the most impressive features of the jaguar is its incredibly strong jaws. These jaws are so powerful that they can crush through the tough shells of turtles and even the armored hides of caimans, a feat few other predators can match. Imagine biting through a turtle shell as easily as you would a potato chip. Jaguars are also skilled at ambushing deer, snatching fish from rivers, and even tackling animals as dangerous as caimans. Their hunting prowess is truly unmatched in the wild. Jaguars are not limited to ground-dwelling prey. They are agile climbers and will sometimes pursue monkeys high up in the rainforest canopy. With a sudden burst of speed and a well-timed leap, they can snatch a monkey right out of the trees. This versatility allows them to exploit a wide range of food sources, ensuring their survival even when certain prey becomes scarce. Now let's travel across the ocean to Africa and Asia, where leopards reign as equally skilled hunters. Leopards are masters of stealth, using their spotted coats to disappear into the tall grasses and dappled light of their habitats. They move with a quiet confidence, always alert and ready to strike. Their hunting style is a blend of patience and precision, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. While leopards share many hunting skills with jaguars, they have a slightly different palette. Their diet is shaped by the unique environments they inhabit, from the open savannas to dense forests and rocky hills. Leopards are incredibly adaptable, able to thrive in a variety of landscapes, and their choice of prey reflects this flexibility. Leopards often prefer smaller prey like gazelles, which they can catch with a sudden burst of speed and a powerful leap. Their hunting technique is all about getting as close as possible before launching a surprise attack, ensuring their prey has little chance to escape. Their menu also includes impala, monkeys, warthogs, and even birds. Leopards are not picky eaters, and their ability to hunt a wide range of animals helps them survive in changing environments. They are also known to scavenge when the opportunity arises, making the most of every meal. Don't let their size fool you, though. Leopards are incredibly strong for their build. They can carry prey much heavier than themselves, sometimes dragging it for long distances to find a safe place to eat. In fact, leopards have been known to take down animals much larger than themselves, using their powerful jaws and sharp claws to subdue their prey. Their strength and determination are truly remarkable, allowing them to compete with much larger predators in their environment. One of the leopard's most impressive behaviors is its habit of dragging kills up into the trees. This not only keeps their meal safe from scavengers like lions and hyenas, but also allows them to eat in peace, high above the ground. Watching a leopard haul a heavy carcass up a tree is a true testament to their strength and agility. From their lofty vantage points, leopards can keep an eye out for danger while enjoying their hard-earned meal. This clever strategy helps them avoid losing their food to larger, more aggressive animals. and it's one of the reasons leopards are such successful survivors. Both jaguars and leopards play a vital role in their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help maintain the balance of nature by controlling the populations of herbivores and smaller carnivores. Without these big cats, the delicate web of life in their habitats would quickly unravel. By keeping prey populations in check, jaguars and leopards prevent overgrazing and help preserve the health of forests, grasslands, and riverbanks. Their presence ensures that no single species dominates the landscape, allowing a rich diversity of plants and animals to thrive. In the grand tapestry of the wild, jaguars and leopards are the ultimate balancing act of nature, majestic, mysterious, and essential to the world they call home. Jaguars are masters of stealth. In the dense, tangled jungles of Central and South America, these magnificent cats move with a grace and silence that is almost ghostly. Every step is calculated, every muscle tensed. As they weave through the thick undergrowth, their bodies low to the ground. The jaguar's unique rosette-patterned coat isn't just beautiful, it's a perfect camouflage, allowing them to vanish into the dappled sunlight and shadow of the rainforest floor. This natural disguise is essential for their hunting strategy, as it lets them get incredibly close to their prey before launching an attack. They move silently through the undergrowth, their spotted coats blending perfectly with the dappled sunlight. Jaguars are patient hunters, often spending hours tracking their prey, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Their senses are finely tuned. Sharp eyesight picks out the slightest movement, and their acute hearing detects even the faintest rustle of leaves. This patience and precision make them one of the most effective predators in the animal kingdom. But the jaguar's talents don't end on land. They are also incredible swimmers, a rare trait among big cats. Rivers and streams are no obstacle. In fact, they're often hunting grounds. Jaguars will slip into the water with barely a ripple, their powerful limbs propelling them effortlessly through the current. They can dive beneath the surface, using their keen eyesight to spot fish, turtles, or even caiman lurking below. With a sudden burst of speed, they'll snatch their prey from the water, demonstrating both strength and agility. This aquatic prowess sets jaguars apart from most other big cats, making them true masters of their domain. After a successful hunt, a jaguar might drag its catch onto the riverbank, using its incredibly strong jaws to deliver a powerful bite. In fact, jaguars have the most powerful bite of any big cat, capable of crushing the skulls or shells of their prey with ease. This allows them to hunt animals that other predators might avoid, such as armored reptiles or large fish. Talk about a surprise attack! While jaguars rule the rivers and jungles, leopards are the undisputed masters of ambush in the forests and savannas of Africa and Asia. Leopards are expert climbers, and they use this skill to their advantage in both hunting and safety. With a sudden, silent leap, a leopard can drop down from a tree onto unsuspecting prey below, taking them completely by surprise. They use their powerful limbs and sharp claws to scale trees with ease. Their muscular bodies are built for climbing, and their retractable claws provide a firm grip on even the roughest bark. Leopards can ascend vertical trunks in seconds, carrying prey that weighs more than themselves high into the branches. This not only keeps their meals safe from scavengers like hyenas and lions, but also gives them a quiet place to rest and eat. From their perch high above the ground, they have a perfect vantage point for spotting prey and planning their next move. The treetops offer safety and a strategic lookout, allowing leopards to observe the movements of animals below without being seen. This elevated position is also ideal for mothers with cubs, who can keep their young hidden from danger. Young leopards learn to climb almost as soon as they can walk, practicing their skills under the watchful eye of their mother. Playful wrestling and climbing games help them develop the strength and agility they'll need to survive as adults. They are also incredibly fast, capable of short bursts of speed that can take down even the swiftest antelope. While leopards may not be able to sustain a chase over long distances like cheetahs, their explosive acceleration and agility make them deadly in close quarters. Jaguars, too, can unleash surprising speed when closing in on their prey, using their powerful muscles to pounce with incredible force. Whether it's a stealthy stalk through the jungle or a surprise attack from above, both jaguars and leopards have perfected the art of hunting. Their methods may differ, but their success is undeniable. Jaguars rely on brute strength and stealth, while leopards use cunning, agility, and the element of surprise. Both are solitary hunters, preferring to rely on their own skills rather than the cooperation of a group. After a successful hunt, These big cats often drag their prey to a secluded spot. Leopards up into the trees, jaguars deep into the jungle, where they can eat in peace, away from the prying eyes of other predators. This solitary behavior is another key to their survival, allowing them to avoid unnecessary conflict and competition. They are truly remarkable predators. With their unique adaptations, incredible strength, and unmatched hunting skills, jaguars and leopards continue to inspire awe and respect in all who encounter them. Whether stalking silently through the shadows or launching a surprise attack from above, these big cats are the ultimate hunters of their realms. Jaguars and leopards are more than just beautiful faces. They are vital members of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help keep prey populations in check, ensuring a healthy balance in the animal kingdom. Sadly, both species face threats from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. It's up to us to protect them. By learning about these incredible creatures and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure their survival for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Let's all do our part to appreciate and protect these magnificent big cats. Their future and the health of our planet depends on it. Crikey, that's something worth fighting for. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife videos.